Let me tell you a short story. So last month, being March 2024, I had some dollars, couple of hundreds of dollars in my domiciliary account, in my Nigerian domiciliary account, and I wanted to exchange it. I wanted to sell it for Naira. This is a true story, by the way. I went to the bank, withdrew my dollars, and then I went to the streets. I called my guy, my Aboki guy that helps me to exchange dollars, and then he told me to wait for him, that he wasn't around, that he's coming, he's on his way. So while I was there, I got another call from him, and he said, leave that place immediately. People are coming there, the police is coming there, the tax force is coming there, and they are coming there to arrest anyone they see selling or trading dollars on the streets. So that was when it occurred to me that on February 2024, I saw a news when the government said trading or hawking of dollars or street trading of foreign currencies is banned. So now I don't know if they've implemented this law or not, but on a daily basis, once in a while, people trading dollars on the streets get hunted down, arrested, because it is against the rules. It is one of the measures that's put in place by the Nigerian government to control the fluctuations of the Naira/dollar. Okay, now if you now want to fund your DOM account, how do you do it? Let's say, for instance, that you don't just receive international payments like I do, by working online and through other means. How do you now get your DOM account funded in case if you don't want to use virtual cards, that the rates are just too much? That is why I'm making this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fund your Nigerian domiciliary account without having to step out from your room. Please note that before you start doing this, or before you start implementing this, that this is going to take, this whole process is going to be completed within 48 hours, which is 2 business days, 48 working hours. And it may cost you a little sending fee, which is about $20 or less. So it is highly recommended for those that are doing bulk amounts or big amounts, not just you want to fund $10, $20, $50. When you want to fund a substantial amount of money, I recommend this method. So to fund my DOM account, what do? Head over to Piggyvest. I open my Piggyvest app. Load in my Face ID. In my last video, I made a practical where I deposited $100. You can see this is Flex Dollar. You can see right here. Yes, and if you click on it, you see that I have $100 in here. Okay, now I did a step-by-step of how I did this, and if you want to watch that video, the thumbnail of that video and the video title is shown on the screen right now. So if you want, you can watch that video to see how I deposited $100 here. But for this video, we are funding our domiciliary account. Now, once you have $100 in here, from the home page, you can see Flex Dollar right here, like I did before. This is Flex Dollar. Okay, you can do what? Click on Pay to Bank right here. Okay, and it's going to ask you what? Simple question. And what is that simple question? Put in your bank account details. Just as simple as that. You can say request bank deposit. Use the form below to request the deposit of your Flex dollars to your dollar denominated bank account. Now destination, select, and then are you sending to Nigerian DOM account? Are you sending to a US bank account? Now, so I select my DOM account. If I want as well, I can select US dollar account because I have USD bank account, and you can actually get that from Gray or GigPay or there are lots of apps that can give you US dollar bank accounts legitimately in your name. So for today, we are sending towards Nigerian DOM account, and I'm sending my $100. Okay, and let me fill in these bank account details quickly, and then we'll continue. Okay. So I filled in all my bank account details, and I'm using GT Bank. Okay, if there is anything you don't understand or any detail that you don't know, okay, maybe you don't know your SWIFT code or whatever, please just contact your bank and ask them, and they're going to tell you. Okay, so I click on what? Send request bank transfer. Okay guys, now at this point you see that what? A transfer fee of $20 will be charged extra from your Flex Dollar wallet to complete this transfer. In case if you want to fund your DOM account with huge funds, okay, or if you want to do this like you want to pay school fees, or you want to just buy dollars in bulk, or if you just want to fund your account with something like 1,000 or 2 or something tangible, 500 and above, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, $20 will in that case not be a fee that you may think is too much in that case. Okay, so you can what in that case, I hereby confirm all this request and do was click on confirm request. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate it. If you gained any value in this one, do give me a thumbs up. If you did not, smash this like 2 times and tell me why in the comment section. Also share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms so that other people too can gain true value just like the way you've gotten. Thanks once more for watching. Stay tuned and I will see you in my next video.